Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, this is a short video. I will show you how to reset the color setting on your Windows 11 or 10 to the defaults. So in order to default your setting of color, you need to right click on your desktop and choose here the display setting. Right click on your desktop and you should able to see the display setting. You need to scroll down and look for advanced display option. And once you see the advanced display option, if you have connected the monitor here, just you need to select here the display adapter properties for display 1 or 2 and then click on color management. Again click on color management. From here we need to choose advanced and simply you need to click on change system default. So once this window coming up, you need to click on advanced. Now choose this option, use Windows display calibration, close, click on close, click on OK, and now you should able to restore your display setting and its color to the default. So this is how guys you can restore the setting of display to the restore. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.